Hello, welcome back to Brandon's Fishy LiveNoding. In this episode, I will be sharing these simple creations. Basically, I think it's kind of like a revisit of an old setup. It's this kaleidoscope setup. So this was based on circle. Actually, this was based on ring. I started with just a simple ring, and the ring is something that I can control the number of separations. Maybe we want to have like 20, we can, and then we can control this radius, interior and exterior radius, and then what I did next, actually I just polygon boom and separating every face of the ring. So that's the start. If I'm not wrong, I can change the angle as well. See, it's almost like a fan. Oh, I lost my mouse again. So anyway, I have transform mesh in move, rotate, and scale. This is actually quite interesting. It's basic, but also pretty interesting. You see how if I zero it out in the X, we get an actual ring, although it's kind of rotated as well. And you can play around with the individual, center, median, etc. So you can have custom as well. That you're gonna reset it. So we have rotation. Okay, so you can rotate each and individual component, and you can scale it, and that's what make this. But on top of that, I have also this set custom UV map. Simply pasting this image. Oh, this one actually creating UV based on, in this case, I'm using a plane. And I think I actually rotate the plane. If I didn't rotate the plane, we get a different result. Oops, I lost my mouse again, sorry. And then we have a circle, of course. So this circle that controls also this. Oh, yeah, I'm actually rotating, if I'm not wrong, I'm rotating the UV. That's interesting. So we have something that's quite abstract. Oh, this is the rotating Euler. Oh, sorry. And this one, if I increase the number, I get something that's more abstract. But I don't know, it's up to you how you want to kind of make changes to this. Anyhow, it's the UV is based on a plane. That's because our ring, after we polygon boom it, it's become like a plane. That's why this is working. And also on top of that, you can have random, not random vector. You can have maybe another transform mesh, and then you can use random vector, plug into this custom, and then you can randomize further your flower here. You can also change the individual. Oh yeah, so see, okay, this one is totally mess up the result. We don't want that. Not median, custom origin. Probably something that I've completely forgot, but one of these can give you a different result. Maybe instead of using transform mesh, we can use like move. So I really want to just move the vertices of each and every plane randomly. Oh yeah, maybe is not as clear cut. So this is randomizing it without even considering anything. So randomizer. Oh, because it's still treating each one of them as single objects. Or oh well, never mind. You can actually randomize the plane, so you can really change the UV like this. Let's check it out. How's the UV being affected? Cannot see. Yeah, actually maybe don't do that. So let's reset everything. So if I'm not wrong, this kaleidoscope also it doesn't always need to rotate like this. So maybe I have an older version. Yeah, okay. This one is simpler. Apparently, okay, if you don't have this circle and this matrix that's rotating or changing the scale of the UV, we get simpler result. But you know, so the one that's really most interesting is this matrix. So we have a circle and we have matrix, and we can control the scaling of the UV this way. Okay, that's more likely. So now here can have like something like looks like a flower kaleidoscope. So this is so much simpler than before, but also it's kind of nice to be able to do this. Alright, so there you go. Thanks again for tuning in. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.